অনেকেই এভাবে শখের বশত এরকম সিগনেচার ওয়াটারমার্ক ফটোর মধ্যে ব্যবহার করে থাকে, যা দেখতে একদম প্রফেশনাল ভিডিও বা ইমেজ মনে হয়। Assalamu alaikum, I am Ikhtiar and you are watching ARZONE. I will show you in Android. First of all, you have to download signature fonts from the fontmirror.com or dafont.com. By these websites, you can easily download your signature fonts. Here I am using DA fonts. In the search bar, you have to write signature and search your signature fonts. Here you can see many fonts of signature. You can download any one of these signature fonts. I am just showing for you better understanding about this. So I am downloading these fonts. Here is the download option. Click into the download option. Here you can see that the font is downloaded. From the bar, click into the downloaded signature font. Here I had clicked in the signature fonts which is downloaded. Here is in the top you are seeing the font. Click it and unzip. Click into the unzip and click into the three dot icon and click into the edit option and again click into the three dot option and here click into the copy option and here you are seeing internal storage. Click into the internal storage. After clicking into the internal storage, you have to select font. You have to select font file. Here is the fonts file. Click into the fonts file. After clicking into the fonts file, you have to click into the done. Click into the done, then click into the done option and then back into the screen. After backed, you have to download. First of all, you have to download Pixel Lab app. After downloading, open the app and choose a color. I am selecting black color for adjustment. Here is A option. Click into the A option and click into the new text and after clicking here, click into the edit option and remove the new text and type your name or anything. After this, you have to use your font. Here you can see that which we had unzipped our fonts. Here you can see I am selected the font. After selecting the font, here you have to customize your font, do which I had done in the screen. For going to the gallery, you have to select plus icon, and from gallery select the from gallery, and here you can see the package of my drive. You can download from the description. So I am selecting the camera, any type of camera you can select. I am selecting this camera image. After selecting, you can give any type of color, customize the camera image. And then you can select any type of colors. I am selecting the red color. After customizing, I am selecting again fonts option. Click into the A option and click into the new text option and click into the edit option and write photography or your desire. I am just showing you. Here I am selecting any type of fonts. Click into the layer option which I had shown in the top and click into the take option which I had shown in the screen. After clicking, select all the layer. After selecting, here is the layer type option. Click into this and click into OK. Here you can see that it had transformed into 3-in-1, means it has transformed into one. You can save the image by selecting Ultra and JPG or PNG. I am selecting. Here you can click into the transparent and you can fully transform into transparent. After selecting transparent, click into the Ultra and make it PNG form and save the image. Here I am using a photo. After selecting your personal or your own photo, click into the plus icon and from gallery bring the transparent photo which we had edited before. After that, you can place it into anywhere. After this, save into your gallery by selecting Ultra and by clicking or make PNG form and then save into your gallery. That's it. So how is the video? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video, and we will meet in another video.